unboxing video of Spectre laptop. So it contained one complimentary sleeves and Spectre laptop. So can you show the sleeves first? So this is the sleeves which came as part of the package. Yeah, just take it out. Very good quality, huh? Yeah, very good quality. Nice sleeves. Okay, so now we are taking out the laptop from the bigger carton. Okay, so now we are opening the box. Now here it comes, the laptop. So this package has one laptop. Then what else we have? Okay, these are some warranty and other information. Then we have power adapter, and check what else we have. And we have a different kind of power adapters. No pen, huh? So there is no pen. Yeah. Yeah, so there is no pen available. So overall the package contains one laptop, warranty papers and other manuals, and the power adapters. So this is all we got, including the sleeves. Thank you.